Palestinians have initiated a massive campaign to gain statehood, sending officials abroad to garner support, a senior official said. Palestinian negotiator Saeb Erekat said the aim of the campaign is to gain recognition from the United Nations as well as individual countries. First, gaining recognition of a Palestinian state on the 1967 borders, with Jerusalem as its capital. Secondly, gaining membership as a state in the UN, Erekat said. A large number of Palestinian officials, meanwhile, are being sent abroad to garner support for the move. Palestinian President Mahmoud Abbas embarked for Europe over the weekend and will visit Norway, Spain and Turkey. Palestinian lawmakers are also being sent to India, Vietnam, China, Australia, New Zealand, Canada, Russia, Bosnia-Herzegovina and Portugal. Germany will provide Israel with a 6th Dolphin-class submarine capable of launching nuclear missiles, German Defense Minister Thomas de Maizière said. He discussed the deal at a meeting last week in Jerusalem with Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and Defense Minister Mubarak. The German Defense Minister said his country would subsidize the deal, giving a total of $189.2 million. The submarine is capable of launching nuclear-armed ballistic missiles. Israel has already received 3 Dolphin-class submarines from Germany and will get 2 more in 2012 and 2013. The first 2 were given as a token of appreciation for Israel's restraint in the First Gulf War and also as a step to boost Israel's defense capabilities. The other 3 were funded by Germany at a third of the cost. Conflicting reports concerning the health of former Egyptian President Hosni Mubarak, who has been hospitalized in Sharm el-Sheikh since his ouster. On Sunday, Mubarak's lawyer Farid al-Deeb said the 83-year-old president, who is due to stand trial on corruption charges, is in a coma. But this was later denied by the hospital director, state television said. An unnamed doctor at the hospital where Mubarak is being treated told reporters the president occasionally falls into a coma but insists his condition is stable. Mubarak faces charges of corruption, abuse of power, and is also being charged with the deaths of protesters that led to his ouster on February 11th. Suspect arsonists caused a large forest fire in Jerusalem that threatened to engulf the Yad Vashem Holocaust Museum on Sunday afternoon. By Sunday evening, firefighters had the blaze under control after it burned 150 dunams in the Jerusalem forest. Visitors at the Holocaust Museum were evacuated and residents in nearby neighborhoods asked to remain in their homes and close windows when the fire first erupted Sunday. The fire almost reached the neighborhoods of Har Nof and Beit Vagan and the Pi Glilot oil refinery located close by. Firefighters from all over the country were deployed, as well as planes that sprayed water in an effort to douse the flames and create a buffer between the neighborhood and the fire. 5 people were treated for smoke inhalation. On Monday, police and fire brigade officials began their investigation, and it was reported that 1 suspect was arrested. Iran's foreign ministry said the country is willing to cooperate with Argentina over the 1994 bombing of a Jewish community center in Buenos Aires in which 85 people were killed. Argentina has held Iran responsible for the bombing, a claim Iran has constantly denied. Tehran is ready for a constructive dialogue and to cooperate with the Argentine government to shed all possible light within the framework of the law and to help in preventing the investigation from continuing on an erroneous course, the foreign ministry said in a statement. Argentina issued arrest warrants for Iran's defense minister Ahmad Vahidi and 5 other Iranian officials and a Lebanese national they believe were involved in the attack. Israel believes Tehran masterminded the attack and Hezbollah operatives perpetrated it.